In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a patron-only post on Patreon. If you want to reward your supporters with exclusive updates, downloads, or behind-the-scenes content, a patron-only post is the way to go. Let's walk through the process clearly from start to finish so you can publish with confidence. Start on your creator profile. In the left sidebar, click the Create button, then choose Post. This opens the editor where everything happens. Right away, select the type of content you're sharing. Patreon supports several formats, including text, images, video, audio, and polls. Pick the one that best fits what you're offering. For example, use text for announcements, image for galleries or artwork, video for trailers or tutorials, audio for podcasts or music, and polls to let patrons vote on upcoming ideas. Now draft your content. Add a clear required title that instantly tells patrons what they're getting. A descriptive title helps with search and sets expectations. In the main body, write your message or upload your media files. If you're sharing files, give a short description so patrons know what's included and how to use it. Keep your formatting clean, break up longer paragraphs, and consider adding a short note at the top explaining why this content is special for paying supporters. If you're linking to a video host or file storage, double-check that permissions are set so patrons can access it without friction. Next, set who can see this post. On the right side of the editor, find the Post Settings panel and locate the Audience section. Choose Paid Access. This is the key step that locks the post to patrons and hides it from the public. From there, refine tier access. If you want every paying supporter to see the post, select all paid members. If the content is a perk for specific levels, like early access for higher tiers, choose selected tiers. Check or uncheck the tiers you want to include. It's a good idea to confirm that the tiers you select match the benefits you've promised, so you maintain trust and consistency across your membership. Before you share, take a moment to review everything. Read your title and body text out loud, verify your files load correctly, and make sure the chosen tiers are accurate. When you're ready, click Publish to share it immediately. If timing matters, toggle Set Publish Date to schedule the post for a future time. Scheduling is great for coordinating releases across time zones or aligning with your content calendar. That's it. You've created a patron-only post that rewards your supporters and keeps your benefits organized.